What's up world, I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I got just a few pairs of sneakers I want to show you. Actually, two of them are sneakers and one is a slide, and I think the slide is really interesting. You guys might really like it, and it's something that's sitting on Nike right now, but I had to try it out. I pulled the trigger on them. I haven't bought a pair of slides in forever, but I have another giveaway coming up really soon, you guys. I will announce it in the next video, but stay tuned for the next giveaway as well. But let's just get started right here with the first pair of shoes I got. These are two recent drops, and the first one is the Air Jordan 9 University Blue. Check it out over here, you guys. I got little Jumpman right here on it, and you got a Jumpman on the heel on the back side right here, and then you got a ton of details right here. Right here it says it's actually, sorry you guys, it looks, I think it's Spanish, a bunch of Spanish words right here that I can't really pronounce, but the details on them are pretty cool though. But then on the back you got 23 and then a Jumpman logo right there, and your Jordan on the tongue as well right here. And then on the inside, let's see, what does it have? A Jumpman on the inside as well. But yeah, I haven't had a pair of 9s in a long time. Actually no, I got a pair of 9s in one of my mystery boxes, but like me actually picking up just a pair of 9s myself, I haven't had a pair of 9s like this in a long time. But super clean, you guys. Tell me what you think about them. I'm gonna put them in the box. Actually, let's see here. I'll just throw them up here real quick so you guys can take a look at it while I'm unboxing these other ones. This is also a recent release. The small size is sold out, or no, the big size is sold out. I think there's some small sizes sitting on Sneakers app still, but this is the Jordan 8 that came out recently for women's. Check it out over here, you guys. It's underrated 8, you guys. It's got burgundy on the bottom here, burgundy right here on the strap, and you got obviously the straps for the 8. You got 23 in the middle right here. You got a Jumpman logo on the tongue. You got Jordan on the strap as well. It actually says Air Jordan, and it's hard to see because it's leather and it's shiny, but yeah, you guys, this is the 8. The other one was the 9. Tell me what you think. Do you like the 8 or the 9 more? I think I'd probably lean towards the 9 if I'm just picking between those two. But yeah, a bunch of different paneling on this shoe, and I haven't bought a pair of 8s in a while either. But there's also the Jumpman on the bottom. I forgot to show you guys that, and pretty decent bottom there. But yeah, a women's Jordan 8, super clean looking Jordan 8, you guys. The women's, they're just showing a ton of love to women's right now, women's shoes. I've had a ton of women's shoes in the past. But let's move on to these slides, you guys. I saved these for last because they're just, I don't know, maybe you guys have seen them, maybe you haven't, but they're just different. So first of all, the box, it's like a double stacker box, and it comes, the top tray comes with like these, like, you can interchange the insoles, and they're like massage insoles. So there's the pink pair, and it's the little dots here are spaced out for like a different massage feeling. And then the slides right here actually they came with the pink one. I put the green ones in here, but yeah, check it out over here, you guys. It's a heavy duty, it's like a winter slide. It's got a strap on it. It's got a Nike sign right here, and obviously the green insole. I told you guys you can change these out for the pink ones. There's that right there. It's different like massage setup, but very comfortable, you guys. And it's not like the most squishy. It's not the most squishy material or foam, but it's just massages your foot really nicely, and your foot sits inside this like nice bed, so you're not like slipping out or anything. It says just do it on the heel cup right there, and it says N354 right there with the Nike. And I'll show you guys the box as well. But yeah, these are a size 10, and let's see here on the bottom, it's got nice tread with a Nike sign as well. But I really like, I hadn't bought slides in a minute, and I just had to try these out. These are kind of expensive for slides. They're like 110 bucks. plus tax. But let me show you guys the box real quick because I think the box is pretty dope. So the inside here is N354. It says Champions, Nike Legacy of Experimentation and Innovation. N354 is an unapologetic exploration to push the boundaries of design. N354 is not trend. N354 is not conservative. N354 is not scared. Established 2019, Beaverton, Oregon. So yeah, there's a nice little label there on the inside with all that stuff that I just read. And then it's got N354 right here. It's got Nike on the back, and it's like a really big, like tall box because it's got, like I said, this layer right here with that, and then the slides are inside. But really cool box and really comfortable slides, you guys. But that's it for today's video, you guys. This is just three sneakers that I picked up recently. I haven't posted in like a week, so I needed to get some content out for you guys. Like I said, in the next video, stay tuned. I'm announcing another giveaway. I love giving back on the channel, you guys. I told you, I promised everybody I'm going to continue to give back, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. So yeah, stay tuned for the next giveaway. I have a couple other videos coming up soon as like the COVID thing starts slowing down. I have some one-on-one videos coming, and I'm just constantly getting shoes. I have another Grail sneaker that I recently purchased, and I'm waiting for that. So I'm excited to show you guys that as well. But that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that as well. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.